Hey Melbourne crypto crew, g'day, it's Sash from CRYPTOLOGIC, and today we're diving deep into the wild world of Bitcoin, right from the heart of our awesome city. But today it's actually Newcastle, not Melbourne. We're still going to be talking about Melbourne, but we are coming to you from Newcastle. So continue on. As of August 6th, 2025, Bitcoin is making headlines and Melbourne is right in the thick of it. Whether you're a seasoned trader, a curious newbie, or just wondering what's up with those Bitcoin ATMs popping up around town, this video is for you. Grab a coffee, settle in, and let's talk about Bitcoin's latest moves, what it means for us Melburnians, and where this crypto rollercoaster is headed. This is going to be a big one, a few minutes of crypto goodness. First up, let's talk numbers because, wow, Bitcoin is on a tear. Right now, one Bitcoin is worth about $177,466. That's down a smudge from last week's $182,337 and about 7% off of its all-time high of $193.97 back in July. If you're doing the math, that's still a massive jump from a year ago when it was around 90,000. For us in Melbourne, this is huge, especially with the Aussie dollar taking a hit. It's sitting at 62 US cents and global trade tariffs are making things shaky. A weaker US dollar means your Bitcoin's worth more in our currency, but it also makes buying in a bit pricier. So, is now the time to jump in? Well, analysts are warning about some volatility this month, so let's unpack that. Speaking of Melbourne, our city is becoming a crypto hotspot. Check this out. Australia's got nearly 1,200 Bitcoin ATMs now, and Melbourne's got a big chunk of them. You can stroll down Bourke Street, pop into a convenience store in South Yarra and swap your Australian dollar for Bitcoin, just like that. Companies like Bitcoin Depot are rolling out more of these machines, making it super easy for us to get in on the action. But it's not just about ATMs. The local exchanges like BTC Markets, 100% Aussie-owned, are killing it. You can trade in your Australian dollar, use Osco Pay ID for instant deposits, and even try fancy stuff like dollar cost averaging to smooth out those price swings. Now, here's something really cool for Melburnians. The Monochrome Bitcoin ETF, ticker IBTC, launched on the CBOE Australia Exchange and is the first ETF here that actually holds Bitcoin. No more messing with private keys, just invest like you would in a stock. This is a game changer for folks in the CBD or out in the suburbs who want a safer way to get exposure to Bitcoin. But let's be real, crypto is not all sunshine and rainbows. Back in 2015, Melbourne's crypto scene took a hit when big banks shut down accounts for most Bitcoin exchanges, worried about crime links. For now, keep those trade records tight or the ATO will come knocking. On the regulatory front, things are looking up. The Australian Federal Police are cracking down on crypto scams. Last year, Aussies lost over 221 million to fraudsters. But Austrac's also cleaning up dodgy exchanges, which is great for legit platforms. Plus, the Digital Economy Council of Australia reckons digital finance could unlock 28.5 billion for our economy, and Melbourne's tech scene could grab a big slice of that. Picture paying for a brekkie at a Fitzroy cafe with Bitcoin. It's not as far off as you think. Now, let's zoom out to the global scene because what happens overseas hits Melbourne hard. Bitcoin smashed past $120,000 US dollars. That's 184,615 Australian dollars, thanks to some massive moves. In the US, President Trump's pushing a strategic Bitcoin reserve, and big players like Tesla are holding huge Bitcoin stashes. Wall Street's going nuts, with firms like 21 Capital saying there's huge buying demand. This is driving up prices, and it's why our Monochrome ETF is riding that wave. Bitcoin's even being compared to gold as a hedge against inflation, which is massive for us with the Australian dollar wobbling. But here's a heads up. Some experts are worried about quantum computing cracking Bitcoin's security in the next 5 to 10 years. That's a challenge, but it's also an opportunity for Melbourne's techies to lead the way in building quantum-proof crypto. And on the green front, Australia is pushing sustainable mining. Melbourne's eco-vibe fits right in, with companies testing AI-driven, energy-efficient mining tech. So, what's next for Melbourne's Bitcoin fans? Analysts reckon we could see Bitcoin hit 223.076 thousand by the end of 2025. Maybe even 384,615 if the bulls go wild. Long term, we're talking $1.57 million by 2035. It's only 10 years from now, folks. 10 years from now. But the volatility around dollar cost averaging might be your best mate. For businesses, now's the time to think about accepting Bitcoin. Imagine settling a Turek property deal in crypto. And for our devs, Melbourne could be ground zero for the next big blockchain breakthrough. All right, Melbourne, that's your Bitcoin update for August 2025. Whether you're trading, hodling, or just crypto curious, stay sharp and keep learning. Drop a comment below with your thoughts. Have you used a Bitcoin ATM in Melbourne yet? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto chats. Until next time, keep chasing those digital dreams, and I'll see you in the blockchain. Oh, and don't forget to visit us at CRYPTOLOGIC.com.au.